We go.
I don't think I am ready for this.
I am ready. If I need a sledgehammer, this is easy.
Yes, I haven't done that yet.
You haven't done sledge?
Not 360.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I like it.
I do not.
Haha.
I'm old now. Oh, at least the view's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough for me.
Nah.
Oh, it just keeps, it goes past the point of gravity and then pushes you.
Yeah.
So like there's gravity and there's the push.
Yeah.
No. No.
This is great.
Oh, I hate this. Oh, no. Oh.
That's good. That's so good.
Oh. 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 Oh.
I love this so much.
Oh no no! Oh! Ah! Oh!
This is amazing. That was so
Oh! Oh! You are kidding! That is so smooth.
yeah.
That is clean. Oh! I have no like. That is smooth. Oh. Definitely two great additions to Aussie World. Wow.
Clean stop, and that platform has been raised.
Definitely worth the hour flight and the 2-hour drive. Oh, that's awesome.